Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending and viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So if home decor is your thing, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like today's video and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest DIY trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Okay, so we start off today's DIY with this restoration inspired moss wall. So it looks like she bought some artwork pieces here, painted the canvas. And then she did buy some moss to fit the frame. Different textures to kind of create a bit of uniqueness to that wall. Now this is a cool project idea. I feel like it would be an easy one to replicate. Very nice. She also did some succulent plants as well. So moving on to the next one, it looks like this particular DIY features a bottle, like an old plastic bottle and some toilet paper, doing the paper mache method to make a vase. And then we have a bunch of tiles here. So she's gluing these and putting them, oh, it looks like she might be making, yeah, some coasters. Oh, that's cute. That's another very simple, easy project to do. H&M home hack. Okay, another easy project. Making your own fragrance vase. And then we have a Halloween inspired DIY. So it looks like she's making a skeleton bowl. Adding some texture. Giving it that high-end look. Oh! It looks like she might be making some candle holders for the next one. So she's putting some marbles on there, spray painting it gold, and bam! Really elegant, glamorous candlestick holders. Very cute. And then we have another DIY that features gold and whites. So this is a dollar store project idea that you can try out. Oh, some more candlestick holders. Oh, those are so pretty. And you guys know I love the gold and the whites. And then we have an upcycle. So it looks like she is at some type of vintage thrift store or furniture store. So she has the piece. Did some sanding there, and then she is adding some woodwork. Now this is a very simple way that you can elevate your furniture. And you can go in and, you know, spray paint this or paint this afterwards if you want to, or you can just leave it with that exposed wood look. Both look amazing. It looks like she's doing something here to the top. Oh, she does end up painting it. Okay. Oh, look at that color. It's like a really interesting mustard yellow. Now, I'm going to be honest, I'm not really a fan of this color that she's using here. Not really my style, not really my vibe. But I think she did an amazing job of just upgrading this piece and upcycling it. It's a very cute desk that she made here. So here we have another furniture flip. It looks like she's going to add some stone to it for this one. Now, I've seen a lot of like stone-based DIY tables, but I've never seen one where someone like takes an original furniture piece and then adds the stone to it. So this is going to be really interesting. So it looks like she sanded it down, added some wood stain to it, and then she's breaking up that stone. So I'm guessing she's going to give it like a cracked appearance. Wow. I love this idea. This is a really cool concept. And what's nice about this is that she's really elevating the piece and making it look like a nice original design. It looks like some expensive furniture that you would find in like Italy or something like that. Look at that. Wow. So she adds the handles to it. So cute. I absolutely love the way that that turned out. This easily looks like $1,000 piece, a furniture piece that you can use as like a bedside table. Very cute. All right, so we have some wooden pieces here for the next one. She ends up gluing them together, adds in the little wooden beads. Looks like she's making like a tiered tray or some type of tray. Oh wow, that came out cute. And you can spray paint that too. I would love to see how that looks in like ivory. So here we have some old containers. Placemat maybe. Oh, she's probably making vases. Now, I'm not quite sure what material this is that she uses here, but she did end up spray painting those containers black, and then she cut it out and then painted it gold. Ooh! Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, with the black. Oh, I love the way that that came out. Wow. So cute. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.